Now we have to ask ourselves why. You know? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times taking the high. 4 times a couple of points with this volatility. A couple of points is nothing. Think about it. It's nothing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have to do it, but we're going to move the 200. We're going to move it to 98, okay? It's 98 now, okay? Listen, as long as the price is above 98, remember we have 92, right? 92. Bears, we need the 92 for us to feel comfortable that we're going to make 20, 30, 40 points today on the first leg. It hasn't taken it. We're still fighting it. We're still fighting it. We have to think, why is this smart money taking it like this? Well, we know why, right? But now we have 98, not 200. 200 is a psychological level. We're not interested in 200 anymore. Now our gauge, now we do have a gauge, is 98. Okay, so let's make it 99. All right, 99 is closer. We all know 200 psychological level, but I just have to give you what our system, our analysis says, and it says, 99. Okay, it's 98 quarter, whatever, 99. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and move that 23 all the way to 24. Okay, so 24.30, 24.30. That's gonna be a 6-point range right there that we have to be prepared. Okay, all right. So this is what we need to understand, right? I just move it to 99, right? Just like 92. Remember 92? We, the bears. Those of us who were shorting the highs, and making 5 points, 10 points, 12 points, right? To follow through, the price needs to break 92. It never did, right? So 92 is support. This is the bounce that the bulls are playing, and they want to ride it to 15. Remember, I moved 23 to 24, and now we have 24 and 30. So right now, I told you, remember when we moved down the gauge to 99? Look at 99 holding. The bulls are in complete control, right? In complete control of the tempo. No problem. Okay, we're gonna take advantage of every single move, right? But they are the ones that. So long story short, right? This long 92, right? Whether you took it or not, the market doesn't care. We know that 92 is a strong support, right? So we need to think, okay, so the 92 long is going beautifully, and it's going to 15, the bulls, 24, and 30. It's just that in the meantime, we're taking advantage of the crap that the smart money is doing to take the stops of the weak. Look at it. It took the high 10 again. I told you we're gonna make it 10 next time. Look at that. You took a shot, right? You took a shot right here. 10, 11. Look at the pullback all the way to 6. That's another 5 points for this short term. And why are we doing this? Well, we're doing it because we want to be ready in case that the bears take over, which I smell a rat, and that could probably be what's going on. It doesn't matter. We're trading what we see, right? But we know that if all of this is the smart money, stop fishing, we want, and the price is eventually going to go to 160, then we want to make sure that we are sure the highest level. Did I offend you with my common sense? Hey, Kappa, what if this thing never goes down, man, and the bulls is, the long 95? Well, enjoy the long 95. You know exactly where it's going, all right? And not only that, we know the trail for the long 92. We know the trail. It was 203. I moved it down to 99. Look at what the price did. It went all the way to 99, couldn't take it, couldn't take it, couldn't take it. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, couldn't take it. Remember we moved it to 99? So we know exactly what's going on with the long play as well. All right, this is very important, ladies and gentlemen. This 12 right here is a new resistance that I just got. That's it, we're done. We're not gonna short it anymore, okay? This right here, 212, okay? It's a strong resistance. If the price comes right back up down, we're not gonna short it again. That's it. This is the level that I've been waiting for. If the bears are gonna eventually take over and destroy 99 and go all the way back to 92, bounce a little bit, dance with it, finally break it in 86 and everything else that I told you, right? And 76, it needs to go from here. Long story short, right? We're not gonna short anymore above 12. We have to wait all the way to 12. All right. So make sure that you follow that. All right. Between 12 and 15, it's no man's land. All right. So the bounce 92, the bounce, the long 92, the bounce of our 92. This is exactly what you want. You don't want the price to continue going a couple of points and down. To the point on, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Not that it's not gonna work, but we're done. We're not gonna short anymore. All right. Okay. So the market is beginning to reveal itself a little bit. The 92 long. What the bulls? What the people that are long right here 92? That's exactly what we want. A taking of the 12, go to 15, and then we've known all morning long. Here you go. All right. Boom! I told you, we're not gonna short 12. We're not gonna short. That's it. I knew it. Our system told us this is it. Bam! 15, ladies and gentlemen. I told you. That's reading the market live, real time, as it's happening. That. Look at the way it broke 12, 1175, and where did it go? To our 15. I told you. We're not gonna do the 12. We're gonna do the 15. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you need to understand. It's clear that we are now in a micro long term. The 92 long is the trend in command, and we've known all along that as long as it's not taken, it was gonna go to 15. That's 15 right there. In the meantime, we're taking advantage of the small pullbacks. And I told you here at 15, don't do it anymore. We're done. And look at the way it took it. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. All right. Okay. 15, 23, and 30. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, gee. Is that 16, 1 point above our 15? And look at the drop all the way back to 10. Gee, 5 points in 5 seconds. What a shocker. I didn't see it coming. Okay. Look at it. Look at the way it took it, right? That's why I told you we're not going to take it anymore. No fiddle in the middle. Period. Our levels, 24 and 30. And 15 was good for 5 points, right? Sometime there, right there. We know the bulls are in control of the tempo, and we know where they're going, and that's this play right here, the long support 92, that we've known all morning long is going to be looking to go to 24 and 30, right? From 92 to 30, how many points is that? For the longer term play, right? And in the meantime, we took advantage of +4, +5, +6, +7, +8 in microseconds. That's what a scalper does. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, pretty good, right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we knew it. Oh my God, CAPI, look at the 24. Yeah, all the way to 30. All right, 92 to 30. All right. So we all know exactly what's going on. The Fibonacci guys, jumping the gun right here at 26, 27, right? This is the 50. Are you kidding me? Remember that we're always looking at what everybody else is looking at, right? It's a self-fulfilled prophecy. Like all the teenagers on YouTube and all those scammers on YouTube that are desperate to sell you a trading course and the room where they don't trade real-time alerts, right? So they only know double top, double bottom, and the Fibonacci, right? 30 is the 50 Fibonacci, but it just so happened that it's in alignment with our system here, right? That's why we have it. So look at the mid-range, 26 half, okay? We all know exactly what's going on.